Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, let's learn a Python program, that is write a Python script to generate divisors of a number. So given a number as input to the Python program, so your task is to generate or find all the divisors of a given number. So that is a problem statement. So these divisors are the numbers which can completely divide a given number. So once we have knowledge of this, so let's try to solve the program. So let me take a number, that is a variable, and use the input function call to ask a user to enter a number. Yeah, so once the user enters a number, so let's convert it into from string type to an integer using the type conversion. So once we are done getting the number from the user, so let's try to print a user friendly message. So that means divisors of a number are, so let's say paste over here, and yeah, so let's give colon, and let's try to print the number itself. So this is in the flower braces, sorry, in the flower braces. So let's try to print the number, and is, so let's give dot dot dot, let's say r. Yeah, so this is just a user friendly message. So now we are trying to generate divisors of a number. So the number might be a negative number as well as a positive number, so we have to generate for both. So first let's try to check if the given number is a negative. So let's use a if statement and take the number and check if it is less than or equals to 0. So what we do is we have to generate the divisors separately for negative numbers as well as positive. So for this, so let's try to, that is get the range from negative number to the positive number. So we'll use the for loop for the iteration, that is from negative we'll try to iterate to the positive, that is for index in, let's take a range and try to get the number, that is a negative number, and try to iterate up to the positive number, that is absolute of number plus 1. So this is the range we are trying to iterate, that is from the positive to the, that is from negative to the positive number, and trying to check if index is not equals to 0, so that we don't hit with the 0 division error, and we'll check if the number is completely divisible by the index. So then what we do is we try to print the index itself, that is we have found the divisor of a number, and let's give end equals to some space. Yeah, so this is a half of the solution for finding the divisors of a negative number. So let's take a else block and try to find the, that is generate the divisors of a positive number. So let's use again the same for loop, that is for index in, let's try to iterate from 1 up to the number plus 1. So this is for the positive number. So I am taking the range from 1 to number plus 1 and trying to check if number is that is completely divisible. So here there is a mistake, that is it should be completely divisible, that means remainder is equals to 0. So yeah, so let's try to write the same logic. So if number is completely divisible by the index, that is remainder is equals to 0, so then what you do is just print the index and let's give some space. Yeah, so this is a complete Python program or the Python script to generate divisors of a number. So this is for the negative number and this for the positive number. So let me execute this and let me show you how it works. Running the main program, so enter a number, so let's say minus 12. So you can see divisors of a number, that is minus 12 are, so these are the numbers. You can see that ranges from negative divisors to the positive divisors. Let me re-execute it. So now let's give 55. So you can see divisors of a number, that is 55 are 1, 5, 11 and 55. Yeah, so this is a complete Python program to generate divisors of a number. So I'll give this code in the description of this video. So that's it in this video. Hope you liked it. Thank you for watching. Bye.